Diolch yn fawr iawn, Llywydd. A heddiw dwi eisiau talu teyrnged I griw bad achub Trearddur. Today, the Trearddur Bay RNLI lifeboat station and crew make history by becoming the first station ever to receive a Silver Gallantry Medal for a rescue on board a B-class Atlantic 85 inshore lifeboat. Now, cast your minds back to the storms of May last year. As most of us took shelter, the crew of the Atlantic 85 were called into action, launching at the very limits of the boat's capabilities in gale force 9 winds to rescue a surfer in trouble. They found her at the mouth of the bay within a few metres of the jagged rock face, struggling to keep her head above water. Now, the prestigious silver accolade goes to Helm Lee Duncan in recognition of his leadership, seamanship and exemplary boat handling. He manoeuvred the boat with amazing precision and timing to reach the casualty, allowing the crew to quickly recover her from the water. And as well as Lee Duncan's Silver Award, bronze medals are being given to the volunteer crew, Dafydd Griffiths, Leigh McCann and Michael Doran, recognising their courage. I met Dafydd at the station a few days after the rescue. He described it as one of the worst incidents he'd seen in over 20 years of RNLI volunteering. And the entire Trearddur Bay team involved in the rescue are recognised with a Chief Executive's commendation. Now, the crew don't do what they do for recognition, but this is a very public reminder of the bravery and the selflessness of RNLI volunteers everywhere. Ynys Môn is proud, mae Ynys Môn yn falch ac yn ddiolchgar iawn, iawn I chi.